my name is Konstantin. I'm a senior IT analyst for EF Education First. We are an international company that has offices in nearly every country that you can think of. We've used our own ticketing system, kind of a homebrew system, for the past years that we can think of, and sometimes your own systems are not going to be as reliable. And so after looking through different products, through different reasons, whether it is cost, quality, scalability, we've ended up going for Freshservice based on the customer support that they've been given, also because of the product and what it offers, as well as the roadmap ahead. It's good to take something that's out of the box, but also offers some sort of scalability and customization. It's simple, but it's powerful. You can make a lot of it happen. You can customize if necessary, but at the same time, a lot of the things that we can think of that we would like to implement within Freshservice are on the roadmap. So a lot of things that we have been doing in the past can be done already with Freshservice. So it was a very easy and seamless transition for the most of the teams, but it also makes us see things in a different way, possibilities that we did not think of. So by implementing such a platform that was created by a company with that vision in mind, we as consumers might have our eyes open to new possibilities on how we can use the ticketing system not just for ticketing, but also for other services that we want to offer in the company. Love the service catalog. We previously used forms or Excel spreadsheets to handle certain requests. And of course, having moved over to the service catalog was just simply fantastic. Customer service is, I would say, also a feature. If I would send an email, I would get a response very quickly, and a friendly one, and with solutions that I didn't even think of. I hit refresh with Freshworks.